Okay, so I want to create another feature code with an attribute, and this one is going to be for the sidewalk. Now, you could do this on some of the other ones as well, and you can always go back and adjust or add. So I'm going to do this one, put it in the paving area, and we'll call it new, let's see, new polygon feature definition. And it's going to be sidewalk. And the code we're going to use is SWK. We're going to put it on a layer called ABS or ASB sidewalk. Again, you might want to create that. You have to create that layer. It doesn't already exist. And then the point label style or point layer style is going to be point. So the point layer, I'm just going to put all the points on this one layer so I can turn them off quickly, easily. It's the line work that's going to get created that I want to use. Now, I also want to add in an attribute. So I'm going to go over, right click on it. I'm going to say new attribute. This one I'm going to do a list versus text. Now I could have done text on the pipe one, but that's going to show you on here. We're going to do material, and we're going to put in paving material. So same thing, we could have done this for the pipe. And material. And then the items here, I'm going to click on this and we can go ahead and enter in the item. So if it's concrete, we're going to add, we're going to type in concrete. I'm going to add another one, we're going to call it brick. Add another one, call it slate. Add another one, just call it asphalt. So depending on the sidewalk, we can choose the type of sidewalk or material that we're going to use. And you could choose a default, so if concrete is kind of prior, or the priority one or the normal one or the one that you use the most, then you could always set the default here to concrete. I'm going to leave it blank for now. So again, you can continue with adding others. I'm going to show you next how to define a point, which would be the storm utility down here.